me mamu nyina afihia pa bi asenhia na de edi kan no me da mu nyina ase supporter mode ma this channel so ene se ne moto mo ho ase ehwe videos no na mo try recipes ni mani so bebre enti we de nam no ba be che eyetia wana se ne me kana simple mint chocolate chip ice cream simple unya machine bia no na ma me pe ice cream we mo no and na betumi a control sweetness nenso enti we de menje obri bebre ji wakonya ni enfenhihye so enti de me wa ha say double cream and also obi beka say full cream so whipping cream anu near 400 milliliters so enti sane me ne wudi kan no ope o measuring jug na chese wasusu so and na we say sweetened condensed milk mo amosi me mfenchire no enu nti na me hwie no may use almost half so until we no betime control sweetness and na we say vanilla extract so anu nso ni say net your shop na pebia no suni we see a Ghanaian cocoa extract mi ko hu mani ji yo ye di na bo hu nti anu suni anu me yusuki to ebi flavoring no and na we nso ye me green color so nti anu suni and na we say me peppermint extract into ko shop na wa hwe baby say and na we me chocolate chip brand am use no betumi use brand bia and found no one say chocolate chips so nti ye mfenhihye so nti they say do here mixing bowl wa befa mixing bowl bia wo na wo use whisk ba me wo hand whisk into ni hand whisk but me use normal whisk just no be check it to e bi keke na ma de me nyina ne say me hwie me double cream no ni nyina egu ni bowl nti no afa wo peppermint extract no 1 teaspoon well nti wo sane ya wo pe no obetumi reduce ni so ampe 1 teaspoon na afi me fa 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract me pe wo mani peppermint ni chocolate no a complement inyonko so na afa cocoa extract ni so half a teaspoon na for food coloring kitwe bi shasi ansa so me the drop penatu no wa can fresh pesa ice cream ni be too green so I say look natural no wa can fry say me can fry and color ne mind me the correct nti baby amedu mi be fiase ahweske na afi mahwe kala no ansa na me di bia ka ho nti se dia me ye na ne sa me hweske so oni ato aso ya busia fa unsa ne aye so enye ma me fancho enye too thick nti de bia menye se ansa na do condensed milk no abeka ho emfa condensed milk ne nhyase ti me de half a tint na di gumu nkakra so ansa na me de condensed milk me di gumu nkakra na whisk I say for my main first stage when so I made the condensed milk ni afra so on pick away akaka crab na o say ujai whisking and yes ha na ekoye butter into I say na etie na mpese me de chiro ti me whiski ka crab ya ka ho na afi me the final whisking na chiro na afi ya chia so nti Mario hwesane etie wo se o make sure na yesi so hwesane etie so hwe o da ni bowl na etene kakra ba enye bebre so nti okay is say na ya make sure ayo hwesane etie am fenchu I say yesi so thick but over whisk no so na me wie ya kra no amafo Mukama ma Africa radio you. Obeka share the kodi you musa. We no, we do lamb be perry and I say rose in the be pa now day we chaso so refreshing. Into bomodian so the try. And they say they may and say me try me chocolate chip no. So near upe be able to me dear boom. To me chocolate chip in me will say 125 grams. So to now where she go. To do be happy bia but me and me pay no more. So no canini na African. Until Hannah folding in gently. So I won't pass a cream no. A bay over. I'm mint no. Any cocoa extract no. Any vanilla extract no. You for a camera. And says, yeah, I know a pet will contain our person the freezer. We say a freezer proof. So and you know. O contain and say a do bet to the freezer. Now take about car the man is a whoop ice cream not show so dear. But more than so the best show freezer to say what me vanilla ice cream. Not just say we not chilly amount in town. But me pen shows in 2 years for Christmas. Maybe in about 2-3 days next freezer did that. Say a mecha near my may and her cry. Not just say a drew Christmas dinner. We wait not be travel so come on to meet it here near tears. Show chocolatey. Now she shouldn't say, come. To know I can't. Why you need come? She said no ice cream, yay. Where dear, Uncle told you. One by home, enough for their pim pocket cry. Yes, so I'm a be a woman free. Now for the lady, for their catastrophe. If you need a yes, and you, for young swan up a dish, I'd be good. Now you're corner. I be so dining table. No beer will say, bra, mammy, oh yard. And I was for me condensed milk, no, be me used to the kind of the measurements in a big swammer. Now, but more than say, 1 fowl 10 or ancient fridge, my name, and 2 BBR, no baby ways wash it. Well, wash me IKEA kitchen ideas, no one's away me to her, nay 3 for £1.20 or something in kind. Oh, tonight, dear Gumuka, now it's a fridge more, now fridge in a more intino. May the quack fridge, nam the wacko freezer, then ya me adma. I be ya free watcher and go baby. Yeah, twas. I was ya for hey, ice cream, you and I come with you. The way I did so. And to me, the very trouble and being watcher, you free you. Wash it. Hey, Brunyo. Chocolate in tea. What do we not bought a once? Ice cream pan. I wish you had 40 ice cream here. Now I come to you. Now, my short bread, no, I'm here. A biddy, so I'm here the same. Made there be sham. Wash it. Now, what do my guest? Also, money better. It's a simple recipe cry. So where the make as I jam continue say a day tramano since the more answer over try be ama and now one casa. So obusia for very easy cry. So now come into subscribing to this channel, but more than subscribe if you say the this over when the bedroom. I love you, God bless you.